Hello everyone, I'm Liana, and in today's tutorial we're gonna go with another beautiful Christmas. We are on Christmas mode. I'm happy to do Christmas, and this tutorial is called Ding Dong Merrily on High. It's a French dance. Alright, so let's play it. So this one is in F major. I hope you did your scale in F major. That's your scale, right? It does have a B flat. So let's get started. Ding dong joyously reply, the angels all are singing. I think it's cute. Alright, so let's go. So we're starting with number 4 on F, and then we're playing G, F, E, D, C. So 2 times. F, F, G, F, E, D, C. Slow, slow, quick, 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 slow. So you go G, F, E, D, C. C, D, F, F, E, F, F. And guess what? This line goes 2 times. Actually, it will go 3 times. The 3rd time all the way towards the end. Ding dong merrily on high, the Christmas bell are ringing. F, F, G, F, E, D, C. C, D, F, F, E, F, F. On the left hand, you're starting on this position, middle C position, in which the thumb is on C. And then you only have A, G, A, and then B flat. I told you about the B flat. This is the B flat, and then back to A. Again, A, G, A, and then B flat and A. Alright? So let's put it together because it's really easy. Ding dong merrily on high. So on the last note of the right hand, that is a C, you match with the left hand, that is an A. And here, D, F, F, E, and together back on A, as I told you, left hand, A. Alright, so you see that? Second time. Ding dong joyously reply, the angels all are singing. Okay, so right now we're having the section B, that you're gonna move your hand from this position. You're gonna find the C, higher C, and then you're gonna learn this pattern, okay? So you're gonna go C, B, A, B, C, A. Okay? Look at that. C, B, 1, 2, 3, 1. So you go 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then the beat is C, B, A, B, C, A. Long and then short, 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 short. Okay? Long, quick, 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 quick. Let's do it together. Long, quick, 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 quick. You got it? Replay, okay? C, B, A, B, C, A. Same pattern right now. It's gonna start with B flat, so you move your hand 1 key lower. B, A, G, A, B, G, and you do exactly the same thing, but this time you are starting with B flat. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Back to 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. And guess what? You're gonna have 3 more to go. Exactly the same thing. So next one is from A. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. from G. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Again, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Next one, it's from F. It's from E. E, D, C. Just 3 notes because then it's the ending. So I'm gonna play. This one sounds really fun and it's really easy. Okay? Gloria. Right? So you see exactly the same thing how I did it from C. Next from B. Next from A. Next from G. F. And then on E. So I'm back into the C position. So when you hit C, you stop. Alright? On the left hand, remember this pattern. So you're still in the same position. You didn't move anywhere. So you go A, G, F, B, A, B, C. Alright? So I'm gonna go. So you're starting with finger number 3 on A. You go next one, you're going to G. Next one, you're going to F, 3, 4, 5, right? And then B, flat, with finger number 2, A, B, and C. So you have A, G, F, B, A, B, C. Easy? Memorize that. A, B, C. And we almost done. So look how it goes. Each note goes on the one of the pattern of the right hand. So just remember the pattern and keep on going. A with C. Next, with the G left hand here. Next. Next. So only to the last one you have 2 more to go. Before C, B, F, switch in the C and C chord. So I'm gonna go G, next one on the left hand, F on the left hand, B flat on the left hand, 2, A and B. We have 2 notes on the left hand right now. F. Pay attention and match. So A, B, C. B flat again. C and chord. Tutorial. It's very easy to do it. I know you can do it. I absolutely know you can do it. And see you in the next video with another very fun tutorial, okay? So let's go. Thank you.